1, 2, 3, go!
Wala pa ba? Sorry.
Intro mo lang, para sabay-sabay na lang. Okay. Beauty queen of only 18, she has some trouble with herself. He was always there to help her. She always belonged to someone else. I drove for miles and miles and wound up at your door. Yeah, I got you so many times, but somehow I want more. I don't mind spending every day out on your corner in the pouring rain. Oh, look for the girl with a broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will belong, and she will belong.
Are you having fun?
Alam mo sa doon? Knock on my door, I wanna make you feel beautiful. I know I tend to get so insecure. Doesn't matter anymore. It's not always rainbows and butterflies. It's compromise that moves us along. Yeah, my heart is full and my door's always open. Come, can come anytime you want.
You can come.
I don't mind spending every day out on the corner in the pouring rain. Oh, look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will belong, and she will belong. She will, belong, and she will belong.
Yung! O, shot ka muna, Jeep, oh. Gago gumagaling, naging mas komportable kumanta si Acer pag nakainom, eh.
Lahat lagi tayo nakakainom, pare.
Oo. Kuwari, magpe-perform tayo, dapat umiinom kayo.
Ha? Hindi na, eh. Makapala mukha ko, eh.
Parinig daw.
Lang.
Buhay ko naman, buhay ko naman.
Gagawin ko. No?
Hindi namin naririnig eh.
Ano yun?
Oh. Uy, ano yan?
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Yun.
Ba't siya nag-top step?